My brother's about to have a cap gun shootout.
1, 2, 3, go.
Robert, you're already dead. You guys are supposed to fall down when you're shot, you know.
Well, I killed him first.
I killed him first!
And he had 2 shots in this and 1 shot in this.
Yeah, it's kind of a fail. Alright. You can shoot each other again later. My phone! Ah!
I hate that ringtone!
Robert! Oh, look, my shadow. Oh, it's okay. It's my shadow. My shadow. My dog! Scruffy! Who's a good dog?
Alright, that's all for now. Bye!